Hey learners, welcome back to the channel. If you have registered for Pragati Path to Future cohort 9, I have got an important update for you. Today I received an email regarding the prerequisite learning paths. After my previous videos, some of you also asked questions about prerequisites, NOC submission, certification and the next steps. So in this video I will explain everything. For those who don't know what prerequisite means, I already explained it in my previous video, but don't worry, I will explain it again. A prerequisite means it's like something that you need to complete before moving to the next stage. Let's say if you want to learn full stack Python development, you would normally start with Python basics, right? Similarly, Infosys Springboard wants learners to complete certain courses before the program begins. So these prerequisite courses are simply tells that preparation courses that needs to be completed before moving further in the program. So another important thing that is related to the deadline, all prerequisite courses must be completed before June 29 12 pm. So don't wait until the last day. Try to complete them as early as possible. And you can find an attachment at the end of the mail. Open it. This is a starter kit. You don't need to complete every course shown in this starter kit. Instead, choose only one track and complete any two courses from that track. And you can select whichever track interests you more, either data science track or cloud computing track. If you are interested in analytics, data, AI related concepts, and machine learning fundamentals, then data science track may be suitable. Choose it. The starter kit includes multiple courses under this track. So remember, uh, you only need to complete any two courses from this track, not all the courses. Try to remember that. If you are interested in cloud technologies and infrastructure concepts, you can choose the cloud computing track. Again, I'm telling that you need to complete any two courses from this track, not the entire learning path. AI is one of the mandatory modules in this overall program, but however, AI courses are not part of the prerequisite learning paths. So don't get confused between the prerequisite courses and the actual program modules. Now let's talk about the NOC because many of you asked about it. What is NOC? No objection certificate. If you are a student, ask your college administration. They will provide a letter with signature and stamp. Where should you submit the NOC? NOC should be emailed to the Infosys Springboard support team. I will display the email here so you can check out. Is the program online or offline? It's completely online program. So there is no need to travel anywhere for the program. Next question. Is there any prerequisite knowledge required? You can find the courses in the starter kit as I said before, which help learners prepare for the program. Another question. Will we get a certificate? Yes, you will receive a certificate after successful completion of program criteria. I hope this video helped you and clear your doubts regarding Pragati Path to Future cohort 9. If you found this helpful, like the video, subscribe the channel and share it with your friends. If you still have doubts, feel free to ask me in the comments. I will try to reply everyone. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next update video.